For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Mamelodi, 4 downs, 4. Sekhukhune United 2. Bahamba nge-4x4 Junior, bahamba ngemoto namavila ayi-4. Abadibana naye bamnika ufo aswaye esayidini babuza ukuthi siyaphi next but okay sisemoripe nangu ufo wakho swaye esayidini. So that's what they did to Sekhukhune namhlanje. Mamelodi Sundowns 4 beating Sekhukhune United ngo 4-2. Junior mandikubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Esheni mabrada kunjani?
I'm good mfowethu.
Wena nalengwenye yethu ngibiza ngo-Asha Tresco. Chelsea.
Stizi.
Bulisele ngwenye yethu Bobzin Lindo Pep Benedict Vilakazi. Afethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. February, the goalkeeper of Sundowns.
Yeah.
It might be last game for him. If the guy come back ngikhuluma ngaye Onyango, also Renan Williams na injury very abuye Onyango always.
Yeah.
I think almost ama suspension is we game yokugcina, and Renan Williams once his injury recover the boy, I'm sure like him and the performance ivezile ukuthi what kind of a goalkeeper he is. You can't be given this opportunity. You are competing against Ronan Williams, also Onyango, the previous African goalkeeper of the year, and then you're making this mistake. Goal number 1, I think is his fault. Coming to the game, Fit, it's in complimentary Autukado, also the coach of Sundowns. He's got this thing. I think I need to give credit to him. Check out the best out of individual players. When I know he was best, but look at him now.
Yeah.
Jaden Adams, he came there, fit him like a glove, and he took out the best out of the boy. Also, Marcelo Allende, Allende was the best player, but look at him now, joining to in the box, looking dangerous. Every time he has the ball, it looks like he's going to score or he's going to create a goal.
Yeah.
So credit for him also entering so many times in the box in Kulmanga Marcelo Allende. Well done to the coach. I need to give him credit. Yeah, going to the game, I think Sundowns, it was each and every game by Idlala Mfethu is like a training session. Yeah, but they do as they please. They pass the ball the way they want. But change amagear, badlala ngetempo yabo. Because of the type of players Bana Sundowns, they signed 2 players, if not mistake, 3. Now 3 or 4. Amanye maybe has Suarez, Cupido from Cape Town City, Jaden Adams. Quality players. They don't just win operatively where they just run. Signing players according to the weight philosophy to shoot is philosophy Sundowns those players. And you look at those type of players they've signed. Quality players also very comfortable.
Ndingaqhawulanga Junior uthe i-players ezifita iphilosophy yethu.
No.
Junior.
Yes,
Uthe Junior.
Yeah, mangithi yethu ngishuthi
No.
Let me correct you. Shane, I'm not going to buy South African face, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I grew up supporting Kaizer Chiefs. These are the best team in the country. This is one of the best team in Africa. So mangithi mhlawumbe ungizwe kahle mangithi yethu ngisho ukuthi if it was me.
Yeah, but I also want to correct something, and ndiyavuya ka usithi make your team public, because out there are people who are saying you're not supporting Kaizer Chiefs, you're supporting the other team. But okay, now I'm glad now you are a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Thank you for that. Yeah.
Mina Shane enye into, can I say something?
Yeah.
Let me repeat this to you.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be biased, man.
Yeah.
I'm not going to go no more.
Yeah.
If this team, they are not the best, this Sundowns team, they cannot be win this title. It's never happened. Maybe, yes, it did. Maybe go Bayern, but maybe the second team. Why we have to be fooled by people? Why must we run away as people? Yeah, because everybody play this team want to beat them. They are not at their best yet, but I mean, currently, even the nations, we are final. I grew up in support Chiefs. I still grew up in support Chiefs. I support Chiefs even now. but I'm an analyst. I'm versatile.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yes,
Fair
I'm an
enough.
analyst, a versatile. If I ask question, I answer according to the question.
Fair enough.
So, Shane,
Sure.
Sundowns, it was each and every game is like a training session. Badlala ngetempo yabo. Today's game, I think Siema I'm not too sure his mind was here. The mindset Kasiema, it's unfair mfethu as a coach. Team, it's very difficult to coach. I'm a player that they come from Orlando Pirates and Kumanga Bomtambo, Mnare, Banetlolisang.
Sure. Utladisa, yeah.
Yes, Utladisa, Kelezo from Sundowns. Those are high profile Cardoso, high profile players. Mnare, Mbule as well.
Sure.
Ufike lapho uhlanganisa combination. It's very difficult as a coach to ukuhlanganisa that combination. Some they are unfit, they were not playing. Mindset aysekho right. Ukuhlanganisa that best uyenze as a coach. Uhlale lapha ku number 3. There's Pirates with high profile players, national players. There's Sundowns high profile players, national players as well, international players as well. But ku number 3. Bese you heard rumors ukuthi they bringing a coach izokushaya psychological. What have you done? And mawuyibheka mangimamele kahle either way.
So you think lento yakhe ukuthi there's someone who has been linked ngomsebenzi wakhe mhlawumbe might have affected him coming to umdlalo namhlanje.
Ngibheka interview yakhe na after game manje ngibheke the way he approached this game with the mawubheka team sheet yakhe unokeletso he's got this guy umncube unoxolisanga also he's got umtambo beyangacala nangaye. So I don't think his mind is somebody was coaching this team. Yene was just there to honor the contract. In the background is not okay. Sometimes you have to be told and then you have to honor. You need to be professional. So going to the game, Fitu, the way I approach the game, among big team sheet yake. Uno Tladisang, Uno Keletso, also Nube. I mean, we need what this guy number 9, number 9, Puyeli.
Yeah, sure.
You've got those type of those are players that they came to games and they can score at any given time, playing according to strengths. But coming to this game, Yanamhlanje, uqala defender from a center. Allow Sundowns to have ball position. This guy, Suarez, very comfortable. It's like a midfield. He's defense, holding midfield. It's very comfortable. Attack the space. Magafika finish Kukun Bebam Alawa today. He looks dangerous. So today, Sundowns they do as they please in front of Ipala is Kukune. They score 2 goals very comfortable. You understand? Sure. And they score first, and then Kukune wanted to react. I'm not too sure why, because they've got players that Bebanga compete and assist Kukune. But today they wanted to react. I'm not too sure why. Starting to defend the center. They score, Sundowns, and then Kukune. Also, they score.
Yeah.
You understand? It was a mistake because of this thing. You got taken a wing back. I mean, usiyama the way mina ngimaza ane football intelligence ngakhona. Sometimes I take a wing back. I'm sure watching mhlamba after Sundowns score, he told his players to cheat, and they did exactly that. Uthe Suarez Magaya White, Atladisa beat him and cross. It was a goal. But I don't blame this guy Suarez. Though he was supposed to do professional foul there. But the mistake, I think, after that, scoring, you go there and sit foot, allowing Sundowns to have ball possession. Also, in front of your pole, you're going to get punished. Well done to Sundowns scoring goal number 2. Suarez, I think that's why they signed him. The way I take a Konipola, well done, he knows how to score. He's a defender. Yeah.
Yeah, and I have to agree with you because Kukune, the last 10 minutes of the game, they played well. I mean, they scored even though we mistake Sundowns trying to build from the back, and then I don't know what was happening there at the back. Bengalu bone Sundowns would build up from the back, but lose the ball, team your score. Iskukune ivale umdlalo namhlanje kakuhle on a high note. Usibuza ukuthi mhlawumbi what stopped them from starting umdlalo ngolahlo bavale ngalo.
I think the players they did it for themselves. I'm not too sure ukuthi Siema was in charge of this game. Mina the way ngibona ngakho njengoba ngisho Sundowns they scored goal number 2, 2-1. From there, Skukuna again, they wanted to react. I'm not too sure. And then Mabagu second half, I thought they will come wanting to get a draw. But still, you see Skukuna sitting at the back. I'm not too sure. That's why Mbuza. And then, yes, kuna changes awenzi Lukadoso brought Obas, Salas. Well done to Salas. I need to compliment the guy. Good goal from him. Good 10 as well.
Your favorite player at Sundowns?
No, meaning never being him cool.
Yeah.
But 2 games that I've seen from him, I need to compliment him. He did the right thing. I mean, Shalulile comparing him as a striker and striker comparison. They came in, he did his job. He didn't trap so many times. Beautiful 10. Nobody told him there, and then finish. Good finish as well. So kuna game that awadlalile umchita bengem tauta. Ngisafuna ukumbona more. I'm not saying he's a good player, whatever, but ngibonile kuna glimpses for him. Well done to him. I think he's the only player coming from the bench today in at the value from Santine Sundowns. Obas, I think they dropped the game, coming to the game, paying big pass money, also not availing himself. And also the mindset the Sundowns players. I'm not too sure why. After scoring goal number 3 and 4, and Fungo go afinin and Fungo dlala in front of a goalkeeper. Marnala upper goal number 2 is Kukuni. The mistake it's a goalkeeper. Alenda it doesn't see any port of it. Just goalkeeper clear the ball. Why playing Alenda there? So Alenda I was trying to be clever. And no pass on top in Togo. Play the ball, long ball. There's nothing wrong as a goalkeeper. Long ball. Kabi must stand, and then it's group. So Jobusho, the way they finish is Kukuni. I think it was players. I don't think it's a coach instruction there. Players, they were just doing it for themselves. But Sundowns already came as rep. It was a rep after goal number 4. So well done. Uzoyitholi for Sundowns because of kunendlela ekudlalwa ngayo as ngisho. And mina showing good coaches that they've taught me this game. Ukuthi you must lose with the indlela ihlaphe. You must have a way of ihlaphe kumele idlale ngayo. You can lose mara ungaluzi ugly. Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you so much, Junior, for analysis yakho mfowethu. And thank you so much for usikhumbuza ukuthi wena uyikhosi for life. I'm hoping ukuthi on Saturday uzawuhamba ne team yakho. But namhlanje ePeter Mokaba, old Peter Mokaba Stadium, Siboloni Sundowns 4, Sekhukhune United 2. Thank you so much for watching it on Ski TV.
Ola bafethu ubongani bobomnisi bafethu ngicela subscribe ku Ski TV.
All our faith, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.